Hi, this is a follow up for an automated strategy I introduced in one of my previous videos before to you. It's called Strategy Eagle Eye Sideways Market. As the name states, it's built for sideways market where there is no trending market or high volatility. It has a filter for the high volatility, so it avoids usually high volatility market. Sometimes it triggers even in high volatility when certain condition I have built and tested are met. Okay, let's do a back test for this strategy. So strategy Eagle Eye Sideways Market. I'm going to leave all the settings as default. I'm not going to change anything here. My trailing stop takes are 19. I'm using parabolic saw stop is ticked. Use trailing stop ticked. The ADX threshold is 25. I'm using all the instruments here for futures for 15 minutes, and I'm starting this from the 1st of the year 2024 till today's date. And I'm going to include the commission here, and I'm going to use only unique entries here. So I'll run. It will take some times to complete. Okay, the test is completed here. So let's see. ZB is 12,000. ES is 5,000 net profit, which is quite decent. It performs much better in ZB E-mini. You can see it starts low and getting better and better. Just to show you, I added the swing indicator here just to show those swings down and swings up here. I just changed the colors here to kind of contrast with the existing colors, green and red. So you could choose any colors that kind of you like. And I usually always try to choose colors that they are different than the existing ones, so you get a bit of contrast and visibility. But it's up to you to choose whatever you like. Okay, I'm gonna add the strategy here. So if I go to strategy eagle eye swing, okay, strategy eagle eye sideways market. I'm gonna just add it here, and okay, I'm gonna go everything, leave everything as default, and I will enable it here and apply and enable. Okay. So here we are supposed to see some entries here in and out, but we can't see them. So if you can see them, you can just go to your data series, right click, and then click on data series. And if you go to the bottom here, the plot execution, I have it by default, I do not plot. So I'm going to change it to text and marker, then click apply. So you can see here, I can see the our simulated trades here. This is a kind of live data, but it just shows what could happen or what would happen. So as you can see here, we took like a short here, and we made a profit. And again, we took a short here, and we get like a profit target here. For this one, we made a loss close position here. Yeah, we bought it. It's like there's a sales short here, and we lost it here. But you can see another one here. We made like a buy, and we made a small profit here. And if we can continue, continue here, we can see we made a loss here, and we made a kind of decent profit here. Okay, I think it's overall it looks quite good. Profitable strategy. Let's say now we will how I use it to be profitable. So when I go here to strategies tabs, okay. Now let's see how we can add it to all other future e-minis. What I go here, I go to strategy tabs here, And what I do, I just click new strategy. Yeah, I try to find my strategy here, which is strategy eagle eye sideways market. I found it here, so I leave everything as default. And here in instrument, I go and choose all the futures, select all. So I apply it for all the futures. And so whatever account here, and I always use unique entry. Just one thing is in start behavior here. I always wait until flat synchronize account. I prefer this option because sometimes can some automated strategy can trigger too fast and start kind of just as soon as you enable it, it starts
Exactly.
kind of taking trades, which is not ideal. So it's better. I prefer like if it takes its time, start calculating from this now on, and not to trigger like too soon. Okay, so yeah, I left all the parameters. Yeah, I always go for 15 minutes time frame. I find it like easier to manage. And okay, leave the resolution as standard, unique, and so I leave stop and target by strategy position. And here we go. So it's okay, and it should be kind of in the bottom usually, or maybe up. So yeah, it's on top here. So if you select all of them with your keyboard, maybe you can click. So once I kind of highlight all of them, I enable them. I'm not going to enable, yeah, I can enable them here, but I'm going to just for now disable them and remove them because I have them already working there. As we are here, I just want to add another thing about this particular strategy, Eagle Eye. I'm going to just edit it here to show you what it does. So basically, it's quite useful to have it work in parallel to all other automated strategies. Basically, why? It's basically you can set a daily trail trigger, like let's say once I reach 1000 USD, and the trail stop if I lose 10% of 1000 in this account. So you can specify which account, for example, or whatever account I, let's say, for example, I'm going to use CM here. So if CM reached 1000 and lost 10%, it immediately stops all automated strategies and close the account for the day, which I think is quite good. Also, you can have a daily stop loss limit like 400. So this is quite good for managing your risks per account. Because just to show you how the strategy is doing, so you can see here it took 5 trades and it made 1027.36 profit just today, which is quite good performance. Okay, that's all for today. Happy trading. I'm gonna leave the two strategies link in the below description if you are interested to use them. Bye for now, and good luck in your trading.